Okay. Anyway, I need 1 minute break, please. Just
Okay.
1 minute. I will come back.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Just 1 minute. Today, did you try this one yesterday evening?
no, actually,
No.
seems very
Okay.
difficult.
Anyway.
Very difficult.
Okay. I'll repeat. Okay. The first one is Sustishri. Ko Konmai. Konmai is Ko Konmai Kondan. Actually, ka they write like this, no problem. Yeah. If you know ko like this, Kondan, ko Konmai Kondan, ko Kondan, ko Shri Parkaran Iravi Vanmar Tiruvati Pala Nurayirattandu Nurayirattantum this ma Antum Che Cheng this is nga Cheng Kol Chengkol Nadatiyala this is la Nindra Yantu இரண்டாமாண்டைக்கெதிரே this is two pa two tam முப்பத்தாறாம் ஆண்டு இரண்டாம் ஆண்டைக்கெதிரே இரண்டாம் ஆண்டு 2 plus முப்பத்தாறாம் ஆண்டு 36 2 plus 36 is equal to 38th year. This was written in the 30th year of Bhaskara Ravi Varma, the Chera king. How to calculate this was Ravi Varma and
No, this circular script, what is that? That circular script? So round. That zero like script.
Where?
Just there.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah, Muppatara. Ra is
the triangle, Ra?
No.
No?
It seems. Hello. I think they lost the connection. Hello.
I think sir lost his connection.
Okay.
Just wait for a while.
Okay.
okay. Mu Yeah, this is yeah. Moiri,
Sir,
Moiri. Ah,
your screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible, sir.
okay. Is it okay? Moiri
Yes, sir.
ka. Next one is ka. Moiri code. Moiri code is code. Moiri code is the name of the place, the present Kodungalur, the capital of the Cheras. Here you can see this. This is Kodungalur. It's also called Muziris and Moiri code. Actually, Moiri code is the name. Then they don't have cha in Greek. Therefore, they change into Z. They write like this, Muziris. Actually, the name is Muirikode, the capital of the Cheras. Muirikode, Muirikoto. This is one is I Irunta. Irunta. I Ra Ru Na Ta. Irunda Ru La Li Ya. Irundarulia Muirikotu Irundarulia
Actually,
Nal.
actually for Ru, it needs to be a line only. But if circle comes, which means Iru, is it not Iru?
Actually, see, they write like this. Normally, it is like this.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but that's a limitation because it's a copper plate. This one is a
Oh,
copper plate. That limitation is there. Therefore, see, there are some lines in between that. You forget about that. Actually, this is Sri. Then here and here some shit. You forget about that because there is a limitation of writing like that. Yeah.
Sir,
Anyway,
that Sri is written in Grantha.
yes, Swasti Shri.
Is Grantha.
See,
Okay.
Shri and this Shri. Shri
Ah.
is, it is not possible to write in what are it? They write in Grantha. Otherwise, they can you can write Tiru.
Tiru.
Tiru
Okay.
like that. Yeah. You want to change it. No Shri. How to write it? There is no Sha Sha Sa Ha in what are it?
so that means in those days these two scripts simultaneously they used mixing up.
Yes, because
Okay.
when they want to write the Sanskrit words, they use the Grantha script.
Okay. Okay.
Because Sanskrit is a Sanskrit word. They can't write in Vata. Therefore, they use the same script here for writing the Shasha Saha. Only in the case of Shasha Saha. Rest of all other syllables are there. Then they use in Vata also. Otherwise, everything they want to change to the Dravidian language. That is difficult for it affects the readability. Therefore, they use Swasti Shri like that directly from the Grantha script. Okay?
Okay.
Then, the Ruliya Nal. This one is P. P is Pa. Then P. This one is Ra. Sorry. P. Then Ra. Ra. Pira. See? Pira. Sa. Pira sa. Pira Sa they write in, there is no sa in Vattezhuthu. They take it from Grantha. Pida sa. How to write sa in Grantha? Same way. Pida sa. Pida sa. This sa, the same Swasti Shri is here. Swasti, same sa they are using here. Pida sa ti. Ti is Pida sa ti cha. Cha ru li ya. What is Pirasadi Cheruliya? Prasadam is a Sanskrit word. They changed into Prasadam. Prasadam is, what is Prasadam? What is Prasadam? You don't know what is Prasadam?
In temple, they'll give Naivedyam, no?
Yeah, that also, it's a
Prasadam
sweet,
means
something you
with
are
the
giving for the, yeah. See, the God and the king is granting something, it is called the Prasadam. Then,
giving something with santosham, happiness.
It's
Sir, can you spell that word again? Of prasadam?
donating something out of joy.
no, no, no. Donation is Dhanam. Prasadam
Dhanam
is
means-
different.
Yeah.
The prasadam means something offered to God and then it is
God, then they'll
Yeah,
distribute
yeah,
the
I'll tell you.
yeah,
I'll
after
tell
it is
you.
being distributed to the devotees.
devotees.
That
Yes.
is in the temple. But according to the king, see,
When the king pleased with
graciousness,
some person,
yeah,
whatever he gives,
kindness, kind behavior,
uh,
favor. If, yeah, the king is giving some favor, then gratitude. Then, if, see, offering or gift. Okay, I think it's very clear. Something given by the king. That is called prasadam. Then, okay, something you ask how to spell it. P Ra Sa. Sa is taken from Grantha. See, this Swasti Shri. Swasti Shri. Sa, they take from the Grantha script. Pira, Pira Sa, Sa, this one. Sa, Ti, Cha, Ru, Liya, Prasadam. Because the king is given some privileges. Pirasadi Charuleya, Pirasada Mavata, Pira, Pi, Ra, Sa, Ta, Ma, Va, Tu. Prasadi Charuleya, Prasadam. Because this one is the king's favor to the merchants, those Jewish merchants, those who came to Cochin. Then they approached the king at the what is the name of the place? This place is Muirikode. They came to Muirikode, that is the present Kodungalur, and met the king. What is the name of the king? Parkaran Iravivarman, Bhaskar Ravivarman, the Chera king. Then in his 36 plus 2, that is 38th regnal year, they came to Kodungalur. Then met the Jewish merchants came to Kodungalur, and the king gives some privileges to them. That privileges is, what are the privileges? It is coming. Prasada Mavata. This one is E. E, they are written like this. E. How to write E in Vattezhuthu? This one is E. Then another form is see in Grantha that they are directly taken. This E you are written in which script? This one is from Brahmi. This E is Brahmi script. This one is Vattezhuthu script. Then they changed this one like the first, it is like a person sign. Okay, actually this one like Pirasatam, this one they taken from Grantha script. This is not Vattezhuthu script. Actually Vattezhuthu is this one. Then they are taken this one from the Grantha script like Sa, Susti, Shri, like. Okay, then E, this one is E. The next is Sa, Sa. This Susti, Shri, like Sa, Pirasadam, like Sa. Two Sa simultaneously writing together. It is not the order, it is not the rule of the Vattezhuthu script. This Sa, this technique they are using from Grantha script. Then E, Sa. Then another Sa, E, Su. Then they write the next word in Vattezhuthu script. Isupu, tupa, Isupu. It is a personal name. Isupu, E. This E they are taken from. This E is taken from Vattezhuthu script. This one is Ra. Irappa, Nu, Ku. Isupu Irappanuku means Isupu, Joseph. Joseph is writing like this. Isupu means Joseph. Irappan means Ramban. Joseph Ramban. The name of the Jewish trader is the captain of the Jewish trade community, Jewish trade guild. His name was Joseph Ramban. Just Joseph Ramban is written like this. Isupu, I repeat, Isupu Irapanuku. Isupu Irapan, Joseph Ramban. To the Joseph Ramban, Joseph Ramban is a personal name. Joseph Ramban. Isupu Irapan is a Joseph Ramban. Then he represents which trade community, trade guild?
The Ra is that circle? Is that
This
Ra?
is Ra. Actually, this coppersmith, he think that this one is, actually this one is Ra, but he write like this. A small change here, right? Like a small circle or something like that. You forget about that change. It is Ra.
Okay.
Isupu Irappanuku. Next one is, this one you are very familiar. This is very clear. What is the next letter?
Ah,
Ah, excellent.
ah.
Yeah,
Appan.
okay. Ah, and this one. This one?
Na,
Nya.
na,
Yeah.
nya,
Yeah.
nya.
Yeah, okay. And this one?
Chu.
Chu.
That
Chu.
is chu.
Anju. Anju. Wa. This one is Wa.
Na,
Na.
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 Vanna.
Na. Na.
Anju.
Anjuvanamum. It is a trade community. Actually, the equivalent Hebrew word is Anjuman. Anjuman is here they changed into Dravidian language as Anjuvanam. Anjuvanamum. Is it clear? Because this Joseph Ramban was the captain of the trade guild named Anjuvanam. Anjuman. Actually, they are Jewish traders because this is Jewish copper plate. They are Jewish traders. Anjuvanamum. Then, okay, I repeat. the captain of the Anjuman trade community, his name was Joseph Ramban. Then the king Bhaskar Ravivarman granted some privileges. What are the privileges? It is coming. They are, this one is what is this one? Wow.
Wow.
This
Wow.
is
Way.
way. This is
Ta.
This is
ta.
no.
Okay.
Wait.
T.
Veti.
Wait.
Veti.
Veti. This one.
Vetia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ya.
Yeah.
Vettiya.
La.
Vetiyalum.
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 Vettiyalum.
Vetiyalum.
See, he granted in the rest of the copper plates, there are 72 privileges they are giving. The first privilege is Ve-ti ya la. This is la. Actually, he write like this copper plate, this copper plate is made. See, this is la,
Yeah.
and this one is
La.
lu.
La.
Lu. 1 second, I want to take break. 1 second. Vidyalum. He write the la is very small and the lu a bigger one, like Lee. Here it is, I think his handwriting is like that. The small la, then this is lu. Actually, it's not Lee. If it is Lee, it came like this here on the top. But it is Lu. Vetiyalum. This ma. Vetiyalum. Veti means he has the right to use the gunpowder. Okay? He can make sound because his there is a privilege given as a king, as a god in the temple. He has a privilege of using gunpowder. Then Vediyalam. Then this one Va. Okay.
Looks like woo, sir.
This one Va. Va. Ya. Na. Hmm. 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 Vayanathalum.
Lu. Lu.
Yeah. The first privilege is Vediyalum. Second one is Vayanathalum. Then the third one is this is Pa. Pakuta.
Papa.
Vattudamum.
Pakutamum. Pakutamum. All these are defined in Elankulam work. Then most of them are he don't know most of the things. Anyway, these are hello. Okay. Then Pakutamum. Then I repeat. Vetiyalum. Vayanathalum. Pakutamum. Next one is this.
Anya. Chu.
Anju.
Anju Varna.
Anjuvanna.
അഞ്ചു വണ്ണം, the same group. അഞ്ചു വണ്ണ this is nya, nya, cha, then chu, wa, ma, this pa, pe. അഞ്ചു വണ്ണ pa, pe. This is ra, and they write like this. Actually, we are writing ru this way. It is enough. Another way method is this one. Both are same. Then anchu vanna perum. This is ra. I repeat. Then ru. The same technique they are using. Here is the rectangle. Then they like this. And also in the case of tu also, they instead of using this one, they use this one. This is a common practice in the inscriptions. Sometimes the coppersmith use like this technique. We forget about such kind of minor changes. Then anchu vanna perum. Hello. Anchu vanna perum. Next one is, this is pa. Pa, ka, la. Pagal, during the daytime. Pagal, this is V, la, ku, vilakum. Pagal vilakum. There are some lamps which like when the king came, when the god came, they used some kind of lamps in front there. During the procession, they use some lamps like that. They have the right privilege for using lamps, with gunpowder. Like there are some privileges they are granting. Then pagal vilakum. This one is pa. Pa, pa, wa, wa. This is ta, and tai, you, pavadayum. They can, because they are Syrian from the Middle East, they came. Then they can use some kind of skirts or special dresses. Normally, the people here are using dhotis and small dhotis. They are using the country, these people in the Chera country. But these people came from Syria, then the Persian side. They can use their special dress. That is, pavade means some kind of special dresses they can use accordingly. Then pavadayum. Then this one, I repeat. This is na.
Na.
Sorry. Next is na, to. Na, to. To, la, ka, mum. What is andolagam? Andolagam. They have the privilege to use the andolagam. They write like this: antolagamum. Andolagam. Next one is kaku. Sorry, this cha. Ka, ku, tai, ya, yum. Kodai means umbrella. There is special, the elephant, during the elephant procession, they use kind of big umbrellas. There is special umbrellas. This kind of umbrellas, they have the privilege they can use according to their processions and special festivals. This And the rest of the privileges they are given in the next copper plate. Then I repeat, Swasti Shri, Ko Konmai Kontan, Ko Shri Parkaran Iravi Vanmar Tiruvadi Pala Noorayiratandu ആണ്ടും ചെങ്കോൽ നടത്തിയാളാനിன்றയാണ്ടു இரண்டாம் ஆண்டைக்கெதிരെ 36ஆம் ஆண்டு means you want to add 2 plus 36, that is 38th regnal year. This is a common practice of writing the year in all the Pandyan kings also. The Komaran Chedeyaraka Chella Intrayande, like they are also writing like that. This is a common practice of writing how the regnal year, the coronation year of the king. இரண்டாம் ஆண்டேக்கெதிരെ 36ஆம் ஆண்டு Muyirikode. Muyirikode means the name of the place. Kodungalur, the capital, also called Mahodepuram, Makotai. There are many names. Muchiri, Muyirikode, everything. These are all the same place, the capital of the Cheras. Irundaruliyanal. He was there. He was sitting inside the Muyirikode palace. Therefore, Irundaruliyanal. Pirasadi Charuliya Pirasadamavidu. This is the royal order. Grant, privileges he is given to the merchants. Then, what is the name of the merchant? Isupu Irappanuku. Joseph Ramban was the name of the Jewish trader. Then, he represents the merchant guild called Anjuvannam. Anjuvannam. Anjuvannam is Anjuman. Anjuman is a trade community. It is always there in Sri Lankan inscriptions and many inscriptions in all over Southeast Asia. Then they came here for trade. This is a trade guild. Then Anjuvannamum, then for them, the king Bhaskar Ravivarman, in his 38th regnal year, he granted this prasadam. Prasadam means the privileges. Then to the head of the merchant community, Joseph Ramban. Then what are the privileges? There are 72 privileges. First one is Vetiyalum. He can use the gunpowder. Vayanathalum. Pakutamum. Anjuvanna Perum. Pagal Vilakum. Pavadayum. Antolakamum. Like that. Okay.
What is Vayanam?
Vayanathalum. They can use they can run schools, they can teach the next generations to write their day book or something like. They can have the privilege to read and write.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, one more thing. Can you just give an idea when they started writing this water in copper plate? Which century? Which is the oldest copper?
Oh, the oldest is one of the there are the first one which narrates the history of the Cheras is the Tarasapalli plate, 849 AD. That was the earliest one. But before that, we have one plate found from the Nelampur forest. It was dated 470 AD, but it mentioned only the Kadamba king, not anything about the Cheras. Therefore, we consider the first inscription which narrates the Chera country is the inscription means the copper plate mentioned about the Chera country is the Tarisapalli copper plate granted by the Travancore chief Ayyanadigal Tiruvadigal in the year 849 CE. Then it mentions the first Chera king Sthanuravi in his 5th regnal year. He came into the power in 844 Then in his fifth regular year means 844 plus 5, 849 CE. We know the date. Yes,
Okay,
that is
okay,
the first
okay.
topic mentioned
So
the
then this
cha-
Kadamba king, they are also belongs to any of these clans, Chera, Pandya, Chola.
No. Kadampas
Oh,
are entirely different.
oh,
Actually, the story behind the Kadamba dynasty is that there was a boy, his name was Mayura Sharman. He was a student at the Pallava Khadiga. Khadiga means a Vedic school. The Pallava capital is near about Chennai, at the present Chennai. He studied there. One morning, a Pallava soldier threatened him in some of the reason about like a policeman he threatened the boy. Then the boy think that he is a Brahmin, a Sharman, therefore he can't reply because he never he is unable to take a sword and answer to that the same way he cannot reply. Therefore he escaped from the Pallava Khadiga, Pallava Vedic school from the eastern coast, the present Chennai region. Then he came. Here was the same. Here was the Pallava capital near Chennai. He came
okay,
all the way to this area, the Karnataka area. Then here is a place called Vanavasi. Vanavasi actually they write it in Sanskrit as Valjayanti and Vanavasi in Karnataka language. Then he came to Vanavasi and found another dynasty. Then actually he was a Sharman because he was a Brahmana boy. Then he came down to Kshatriya. Then he changed his name as Mayura Varman. Mayura Sharman became Mayura Varman and he founded the Kadamba dynasty. Actually, they are contemporary to the Pallava dynasty. Okay,
okay,
there is
okay.
an inscription. I told you, uh, an inscription at Talagunda. Yes, it's a very well-known inscription. Talagunda pillar inscription. In this inscription, he narrated the entire story how he escaped from the Pallava Khadiga and came all the way to the capital. This was, you can see this one in near Vanavasi. When you go there, this
Oh,
narrates
okay.
the entire story of the dynasty of the Kadambas. This is the
Understood.
Talagunda inscription. Yeah.
Sir, this is written in Vattezhuthu.
No. These are all Sanskrit, and they used the Grantha like there are many variations, Southern Brahmi variations like that they are used. Yeah, you
Okay.
can check it. It is there. You can Google it and check it. How to. This is one of us area here. They establishing the. Okay. Okay, we can come back. Oh, the next one I show you. Can you read this one? This inscription? How to read this inscription? Yeah, this is what I did. Then the first one is what is this?
Sri. Oh,
Shri.
Sri.
Okay, it's Shri. See, Shri is here. Swasti Shri, like Shri. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
this one. The next one is what is this?
E. E.
E.
E.
Ru.
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 Ru. Excellent. Sorry. E. Ru. This is Ru. This one.
Va.
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 Va or Pa?
Pa.
Va or Pa. Okay,
Pa.
anyway.
Irupa.
Whether it is Pa or Pa, we don't know. Anyway, we can try to read as Pa. Then this one, another pa plus
Pi.
pi.
Iruppai.
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 This one is very clear.
Ra.
Yes, ka. Then next one.
Ku.
Iruppai ku. This is U-shaped symbol. Ta. Then
Ta.
T.
T.
Iruppai kudi. Iruppai kudi is the name of a place. We don't know. If you read Iruvai Kudi, it is not a mistake. Then you can ask a Tamil friend, is there any place or Google Iruvai Kudi? Then they show that there is no Iruvai Kudi, it is Iruvai Kudi. Like that you can correct. It's a common mistake for everyone because we don't know whether it is Iruvai Kudi or Iruvai Kudi. Then here they give that Iruvai Kudi. Then Iruvai Kudi. This one. Key. This is key. Here you can see the change. This is ku and here it is key.
Oh yeah, key.
Then
Ra.
this one.
Ra.
Ra. Excellent. Key ra. This one.
That is
Ing.
Va. Va.
Wa.
Va.
Va.
Next one.
yeah.
What is this?
Na.
Na. Kiravan. Iruppai Kudi. Kiravan. Kiravan means chief in Dravidian language. Okay.
Oh.
Then Kiravan means the chief of Iruppai Kudi. Iruppai Kudi is the name of a place. Then Iruppai Kudi Kiravan. This is na. Actually, they write like this. Okay, this is na. Kiravan. This one.
Che.
Che.
Che. Excellent.
Na.
Che na.
Ma, not na. Na
Na.
is different. Na is here is na. Kiravan. This is na. Che,
Na.
na.
This no.
Oh, this is actually not
No,
na.
no,
This
that
is
is
ya.
not now.
This is ya.
Yeah,
This is ya.
yes. Yeah.
Cheivitta. Cheivitta.
Che me.
This one. Ti.
P.
Tiru.
Tiru.
Sorry. Tiru. Okay.
Tiruppi.
Pa.
Tiruppi.
Tiruppi.
You.
Ta.
You.
Ta.
Ta.
Ta. Ta.
Ta. And this one.
Ma.
Ma.
Excellent. Sri Iruppai Kudi Kiravan Cheivittathirupidam. Maybe this is a seat of something. We don't know. Irupidam means seat.
Maybe a
Then
tomb.
not know. This Irupidam. Ta then ma. Irupidam. Irupidam means what is Irupidam? Irupidam means
A
a
resting
seat.
place.
Place of,
It can be a resting place. Tomb.
place of resting.
Yeah, maybe a place of resting, maybe a citadel. I don't know what it is. Anyway, the picture is not very clear. This is a small picture they are given in the Indian Express report. And when I saw this, this is our practice. We want to read this. We forget about the rest of things. Sri Iruppai Kudi Kiravan. Kiravan means chief. Then
Sir,
Chaivita,
in that
the chief
Kiravan,
built. Chaivita means built. This Irupidam. Irupidam means the seat. This seat was built by a chief, Kiravan chief of Iruppai Kudi.
sir, that Kiravan, na, how they have written that na.
Oh, now actually here the scribe right. Actually, this is na, but he changed a little bit like this. There is a connection, but he never liked it. This is a very common practice in some of the inscriptions during the Pandyan period.
Okay.
They write this part they missed, then they started from here. It's a common practice in the Pandyan inscriptions.
Okay.
This is actually from Tamil Nadu. This is from Pandyan region. Therefore, it's very typical Pandyan inscription of 9th century around. Okay. Okay. Then it is very important to find the date of the inscription. How to find a date? One way is you can check the paleography of the Vattezhuthu script. That is, or any script, you can check the paleography. Then in Brahmi, you see, this first century, second, then third, fourth, second century, fifth century. The ka is a plus sign. Then slowly it changed like this during the Gupta period. This is the Mauryan period. Then slowly it changed like this. Here up to here, 5th century AD, it is a plus sign. See, then after that it changed. This one is very familiar to you. This is the very typical of Devanagari script. Ka. Then again changed like that. This after several centuries, this plus sign came into this form, Devanagari script or any other script like that. Vattezhuthu also has some paleographical changes. One is this one is very old, very typical, very clear. That means this one is written 10, 11 centuries. After 12th century, this Vattezhuthu changed a little bit more curvature because they instead of using the copper plate and the stone inscription, they used more palm leaf manuscripts. For writing palm leaf manuscripts, they are very familiar to because they use some more curvature form. Then up to 17th, 18th century, it's a little bit difficult to read. Then these are earlier inscriptions. It's very clear, very legible to read it. Okay. Then one is paleographical style. We can say this is this very typical, but the script is around 10th century or 8th century, 9th century, 10th century, or like that. One method is another is the name of the king. Here, the name of the king is Bhaskar Ravivarman. We know the chronology from Edangalam Kunjapilli and to T.A. Govindaravu and President G.S. Narayanan. They and also some other scholars. They are also calculated they presented the list of the king, the chronology of the king. Then one is the Bhaskar name of the king. Another is in which year he is granted. This is 38th year. இரண்டாம் ஆண்டுக்கு எதிர 36ஆம் ஆண்டு means 36 plus 2 is 38th year. Then we know 38th year is equivalent to which amnodomini or common era. Therefore, it is very easy to identify the you can use the cross references of earlier scholars. Then with the help of that one, you can identify the name of the year of the inscription. One is paleography, another is the name of the king, which mentioned in the inscription. The third one is in which coronation year. Then the fourth one method is the chemistry of the copper plate. Suppose it's a copper plate, you can it is hard to identify the date and the king. Then you can check in which period approximately you can find the chemistry along with the help of a chemist or an expert in the laboratory. Then that is another way to find. Then another method is to find the year computation. There are many methods. I show you. In the first modern study of the calendar systems in India, Alexander Cunningham said, the most ancient year in this region probably consists of 360 days, which approximated roughly to 12 revolutions of the moon and one of the sun. You know there are two calendar systems. One is Chandra Masa and second one is Saura Masa. Saura Masa is based on the uh, revolutions of the sun, and the Chandra Masa is based 28 days of each month. They are calculated according to the revolutions of the moon. But the great difference of 11 days between lunations and one revolution, you forget about the complications. Then here you can see only 360 days per year. Then what happened to 5 days? Actually, and here is 365 and 0.25. Then 365, then that 5.25 days they are missing in each year. Then they compensate this 5 days after every 5th year, they taken 1 month of 27 days. Hey, can you understand what I say? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, we
Oh,
got it.
okay.
I got it.
Yeah, because there are only 360 days, then therefore 5 and 5.25 days are missing in each year. To compensate that one, they take 1 month of 27 28 days, depends on the depends on one day they are adding in the February, you know that one, leap year. Then along with that one day, then they take 27 or 28 days as a month after every 5 years. Okay. This was the ancient system of Indian system long back. Yeah, long back they are calculated like this. The oldest of them, the year computations, is called the Saptarshikal, ascends only BCE 4077. These are all imaginative days. Perhaps to 6777 BCE, while the Bahaspati Manu and the Kali Yuga reached only a little beyond 3000 BC. You forget about all this. These are all some kind of hypothesis. In Alexander's time, the Hindus did not claim a greater antiquity than BCE 6777. This is very important because when Alexander came here in the 5th century BC, then they have some kind of records because how the Indians are calculating they have how they are have the year computations. Then they recorded as the Indians believed that the calendar was started from 6777. These are all earlier references. Then Cunningham concluded, then I have a very strong suspicion that the present extravagant system of yugas, mahayugas, manvantaras, and kalpas was an invention of the astronomers, which they based on their newly acquired knowledge of the precision. And that is very important because nowadays you know that 4,000 years of yugas, 5,000 years of yugas, and Mahayugas, and Manvantaras, and Kalpas, and Brahma Varshas. Like that, computations are later ones. Actually, they don't have any idea in the beginning, especially during the time of Alexander's invasion. They believed that the year was started in 6,000. It's an imaginative day. Then they believed that the Indian calendar system was started in 6777 BC. Later, during the time of 5th century onwards, 5th century CE onwards, then slowly they think that they changed their imagination about about the time. Therefore, they changed it as yugas, mahayugas, manvantaras, kalpas, and the invention of the earth. They are all in later inventions. There are many ways. I told one example for that one. The Indian system, there are many ways. One system is Kadabayadi. I told you what is Kadabayadi later. The Indian system, one of the method is Kadabayadi. is easy to remember numbers with many digits. For the value of pi is 3.1415926 like that. Okay, for the value of pi, the term represented 17 decimal places is Bhadrambudhi Siddha Janma Ganida Shraddhasmayan Bhuvati is actually the equivalent term of 3.14159265358 the 979324. It is equivalent to it's a Sanskrit phrase they are using. Bhadrambudhi Siddha Janma Ganida Shraddhasmayan Bhuvati is the value of the pi used in the astronomical text. But hard to say the English. In English, they are also using like that. Then there are A is 1 and Z is 26. In between that, they have 21 to 26 characters. They are they are also using like this. The value of the pi in English is how I need a drink, alcoholic, of course, after the heavy lectures involving the quantum mechanics. It is hard to remember. See, but you can easily remember Bhadrambudhi Siddha Janma Ganida Shraddhasmayan Bhuvati. Then it is equivalent to 3415 like that. Then in the case of Kadapayadi, it started Ka as 1. Ka, Kha, Ga, Kha, Nga is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ka is 1, Kha is 2, Ga is 3, Kha is 4, Nga is 5, Cha is 6, Cha is 7, Ja is 8, then Jha is 9, Nya is 0. There is no 10. This one is 0. Again, in the next line, they take it as Ta 1, Ta 2, Da 3, Da 4, Na 5, Ta 6, Ta 7, Da 8, Ta Tha Da Tha. Tha is 9, then Na is 0. In the next line, they again take it as Pa is 1, Pa is 2, Ba is 3, Ba Pa is 4, and Ma is 5. Then this series ends. They started 1 again from here. Ya 1, Ra 2, La 3, Wa 4, Ya Alawa Sha. Sha is 5, 6, 7, 8. One more they needed. Sha, Sha, Sa. Then what is the next character after Sha?
La, la.
La. Excellent. La. Okay. This La inverted with the La and it written as La. An L and a dot just with the help of diacritical marks. You can write like this and inverted with the, this one is La. This La is the next one, 9. All vowels have no values, then also the rest of the, then Ha, La, La, Ra, there is no value. Only up to this character set have some values. I repeat, Ka 1, Ka 2, Ga 3, Ka 4, Nga 6, 5, Cha 6, Cha 7, Ja 8, Cha 9, and Nya 0. Ta 1, Ka 2, Da 3, Ka 4, Na 5. Ta 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Pa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ma is 5. Ya is 1. Ra 2, La 3, Wa 4, Sha 5, Sha 6, Sa 7, and Ha 8, and one more La. La. La is this La, but inverted with the it is, or you can write La, L plus this mark. It is also La. Same. Okay. This one is 9, and all the vowels and the remaining letters don't have any values, no values for them. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this is very important because in most of the inscriptions they use this technique for representing the year. We can have some problems along with that. I told you how to write it, how to solve the problem. This is very, very important. Then, one of my Professor K.P. Naranapasharadi, remember his 5-digit phone number during 1990s. He remembered his phone number as Sharabanjaram. What is Sharabanjaram? You know that one. What is Shah? Shah is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is Shah. Okay. Ra. What is Ra? Ra is 2.
2.
5, 2. Then Pa. Pa is
1.
1.
1.
1.
5, 2, 1. Nja. Nja means Nya and
Ja, cha,
Ja.
cha.
Here.
Ja
Nya and
is
Ja.
8.
No. You can take Nya. If it is a
Nya
compound
and cha.
letter, you can take the second one. So that forget about Nya and then take this next one. Nja is a compound letter. You can take the second one. Ja. Ja
Ja.
is
8.
8.
8.
I repeat. 5, 2,
2,
1,
8.
8. Ra. Again Ra. Sharapanjaram. Ra
8.
is
8. 2. 2.
2. Okay. You can forget about it. E, U. No value for vowels. Therefore, you leave it. Then Sharapanjaram is 5, 2, 1, 8, and 2. He remembered his phone number like that. You can also have some because all of your vehicles are 4-digit. Then see my vehicle number, the last digit is 5145. How to write 5145? I think and I changed into what is Ma? Ma is 5. Ma also the same value. Has no value. So Ma Ya. What is Ya? Ya is 1. Ma Ya Wa. Wa. Ya La La Wa. 4. V Maya V Na. I'll give the na is na 5.
5.
5145. Yeah, 5145 is my vehicle last digit. You can also create it like create like this. It's also very interesting and have a sticker on the back side of your car or
Sir,
your bike.
Sir, what I understood is this is Kadapayadi is reading from right to left. That's what I understood.
Yes, that's I told you later. All of a sudden, don't say all the rules. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah,
Sir,
one by one. Yeah, wait.
sir,
First of all, we want to introduce the rule of the value of the alphabets. After that, we can go to the rules. Okay, I'll show you.
sir, sir,
Uh-huh.
instead of Maya, can you take Maka?
Yes, but there is no word meaning. There is a word Veena. See, first, if you create such kind of words, the first rule is the word should be meaningful. Don't
Okay.
take kaku, keku, ku like that. No, it's not allowed. You must have to write only the words with some meaning. Then only it is beautiful. Sharapanjaram, Maya, Veena. You can also create your own vehicle and think about, take this chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Then you can create your own way. According to your vocabulary, you can create. These are the very primary one. You can remember these rules. The value of the characters. It's very syllables. It's very important. Then only we can create the words accordingly.
Sir, how the relate the value of pi in English? Can you reveal it?
Yeah, you can write it somewhere. Yeah. Right. Yeah, here. It is this is Sanskrit. Bhadram Buddhisiddha Janmas. Okay. And here, how I need a drink. I need a drink. Alcoholic, of course. After a heavy lectures of involving quantum mechanics. Actually, they are using the one A as 1 and a B2, C3 like that. It's only a technique, small technique. There is no practice of writing the Kadavayadi in English. They don't know. This technique is only for the Indians, especially in the case of astronomical standards.
First letter
But
of the word. Is
I
it?
think somebody is created with funny something like that. My professor told me once, then I write like this. That's
Okay, okay.
you forget about it because there is no practice like that. Any questions? Any
Sir,
questions,
this,
please?
sir,
Yeah.
this Kadapayadi used during Vattezhuthu era or it came after later?
We saw the Kadavayadi's technique from 5th century CE onwards.
Okay, okay.
In very rarely we are using, they use like that. But from 9th century onwards, it came to South India. It's a common practice. Yeah. In most of the inscriptions, they use this technique for representing the year.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But
But
when
there
they
are
use
some.
a
Actually,
particular
this technique is a Vedic technique because of remembering the Vedic chanting. Actually, this one is actually when the each mantra is started with and vowel or consonant, then they remember the number because there are thousands of mantras in each Veda. For remembering that one, they are using this technique, this number system technique for easier because otherwise a human cannot be remembered. That time they don't have any text. It is not allowed to write the Veda and other Vedas on the palm leaves or inscriptions. It is not allowed. Then they remember all the Vedas through some kind of techniques. This is one of the techniques to remember the mantras.
Okay. This method is still using by traditional astrologers in Kerala, even now.
Yes. Yeah, it's using because if you want to write an year in the middle of a shloka or a poetry, you must have to change it according like this. Then only you can complete the meters. It will fix inside the meters. Otherwise, uh, it is not possible. 1, 2 like that. It's not possible. Then they are changing Bhadrambati Siddha Janmasra like that. They are changing to the same meters. Then they fix the along with that. Then it became more beautiful.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Any question?
No, sir.
No question? Okay. Samajit is there. Hello.
Hello. No, sir. Actually,
Ah.
she is little ill today.
Okay.
So, yes, sir.
Oh, today is Sunday. Okay. Okay.
So should we wrap up the class?
What?
Should we wrap up the class?
Record?
No.
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah, sure. Wind up.
Yes.
You can wind up. Sure.
Okay. Okay, thank you everybody, and we will meet again tomorrow, same time.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
very
Thank
much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. Thank you very much.